Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, it's another synthetic wig install. This wig is the Ultra Melted Hairline lace front wig in the style Natalia. I got the color dark copper orange. I've been really like ever since the summer basically been wanting a ginger moment, burnt sienna, you know, like cayenne type of moment like I've been seeing like everybody else, but I couldn't get it because one, I was too scared to dye my real hair, and ginger hair is expensive, y'all. But luckily I got my hands on this unit right here. This wig was a little bit challenging only because the hairline kind of tricked me a little bit. Like it kind of made me have to like think back once or twice because it's really, as you can see, it's really close to like my eyebrows. I don't mind it since I'm hiding it with my curls, but there are some hairstyles that I would want to do, like maybe like an updo that would require me to show these parts, like the sides of my head. But other than that, this hair was really nice to work with. You're gonna notice that I'm wearing a different top from the tutorial, only because I felt like the top was clashing with the hair and the makeup. But if you guys like what you see so far and you want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching. I'm going to start off by applying foundation, powdered foundation, to my cap as well as the lace. So I'm going to be taking some freeze spray and styling gel from Got2B. I'm going to be applying at least like about 3 layers. Now that it's tacky, I'm going to pull it back. I'm going to be taking the elastic band I've been seeing videos on Instagram where it looks like they take some type of like tanning foam and apply it to the hairline, and I want to try. So I'm gonna just be taking some of my tanning foam lotion and applying it. I don't want to go too crazy with this right now. My camera's dying, so I won't be able to film me curling it, but I probably will make a small TikTok video and post it here, how I curl synthetic wigs. I put some flexi rods in my hair to hold the curls, and I'm gonna take them down with you guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait for some of the curls to drop because they are a little bit too curly for my liking. So as we wait for that, we're just gonna do some baby hairs. So this is my finished look. I brushed out the curls a little bit more to my liking. They kind of dropped, which is what I wanted because the flexi rods made them a little too tight. You can never do any wrong with the middle part. The middle part is just simple, classic, lovely. you know. Maybe like when the next time I install a wig, I could just like push it a little further back so it won't be so close to my eyes. That was just something I didn't think about when I first installed this one. Hair is very cute. The color is beautiful. I'm in my ginger, you know, copper burnt orange type moment. You know, this is what I've been longing for. I finally understand why people have been getting this type of hair color. It's because it's just a whole vibe. Like I look so cute right now. Who would have thought? Ginger is my color. Well, I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.